I died.
No!
Bro, I cannot catch a break, dude. Holy. Holy, I can't get a break. Ah, go, God! So! Fuck up! Oh my God.
I'm getting out of here.
God damn. Sprayed, dude. I got gunned down, dude. Man down! Man down! All the bullets I just got shot with. Literally just walked in. I didn't see the fucker. I didn't know where the fucking guy was. Oh my God, dude. I gotta order like 500 bullets right now, because, dude, I'm gonna lose all of these. I should just reload a bunch of mags. The dying makes no sense. Yeah, it's kind of annoying how you just kind of like just die. It kind of feels like that's just it. There's like nothing to look at either. I feel like it probably makes sense, but I just don't know.